I am Bijal Kansara, Assistant Professor from Electrical Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, we will discuss our chapter number 2 from the subject Contributor Personality Development Program, and its subject code is 3160002. Chapter number 2 is Creating Value. The flow of container. First of all, what is focused on value? Second thing, what does creating value mean? Exploration, application example, examples of real contributor, and the conclusion. Now, the first is what is focused on a value. In the term of contributors, we define focused on a value as below. One of the aspect of contributor's mindset in his or her goal of creating value for self, for family, for the team, for the organization, for the customer, and for the society. In short, the contributor aims to create a value for all the stakeholders in his or her life. Illustrative example, the left side portion indicates a non-contributor and right side portion indicates a contributor personality. In left side, non-contributors focused on the attributes of product or a service. This new non-contributor says, this new cell phone is bigger and more fancy than my previous one. He or she only focused on the attributes of the product of a service. Contributor focused on the value of a product or a service. This new cell phone will give me some important new capabilities to make my life more efficient. This is a different way of thinking for the non-contributors and the contributors. Even not for the product, contributors is also thinking about all the value of the present of the suspect or product in her or his life. Role model Sir Thomas Edison. This creating value can be understood by using one example. Thomas Edison exerted a tremendous influence on a modern life by contributing inventions such as the incandescent light bulb, the phonograph, the motion picture camera, as well as improving the telegraph and telephone. In his 84 years, he acquired an outstanding 1093 patents. 1093 patents. While not all of his inventions were based on the original ideas, he did a great service to society by turning those ideas into reality and by giving them a commercial value. Thomas Alva Edison quote that I have not failed 10,000 times. I have found 10,000 ways that will not work. In December 1941, when Thomas Edison was 67 years, his laboratory was virtually destroyed by the fire. Much of his work went up in the flame that night. All the laboratories are destroyed by the fire. On reaching the site, Edison's 24 years old son Charles was appalled at the sight of the destruction. Oh God, a lifetime's work is destroyed. Father would be devastated at his age this loss. However, Charles found Edison calmly watching the scene, his face glowing in the reflection. Next morning, looking at the ruin, Edison said, there is a great value in a disaster. 3 weeks after the fire, Edison delivered his first phonograph. Conclusion from this example is that Thomas Edison never underestimated his value towards his work. Now, next is, what does creating value means? Creating value means making a positive difference, a tangible impact, a specific contribution to any situation. This positive difference or impact can be in the form of achieving a specific goal, creating a product, creating human touch in a particular interaction, or enhancing one's own capacity or the capacity of one's colleagues and the teammates. Contributors are therefore extremely result focused, but the result is in measured in terms of value created, not any physical value. Illustrative example, value for money. This girl has a value for money. Although I am weak in the study, I will study hard and won't let my parents waste of money for my admission. She has a value for money that her parents spend on her education. And this boy has no value for money. He thinks that I am too intelligent to get myself in a merit, but I don't need to study for it. My dad's money will anyhow place me in the scholar, or he can easily get admission by paying for the money or by paying a donation. So this is a value for money. One girl has a value for money. She work hard because he has a value for the money that pay for her education. And the second boy has a very intelligent, but he has a no value for money. He thinks that his parent has a lots of money, so he can easily get admission in any type of school or college by paying an donation. Now, next illustrative example by one is Steve Jobs, left side, or this is a Dennis Ritchie. This is he is a billionaire from stolen ideas and a clever sales tactics, and he is invents a C language and Unix, both released for the free. He has a value for what he had made, so these both language is released free of cost for the customer. Dennis Ritchie, he is a creator of a valuable programming tool and asset, C programming language. C programming sits the heartbeat of programming and is a platform for the most programmers. Co-creator and another most valuable user interaction tool, open source Unix operating system. He is rewarded with the Turing Award in 1983 and a National Model of a Technology of 1998 from a former press, Bill Clinton, for his valuable contribution. At least 75% of the web, as you know it, 60% of the servers have, 30% clients have, and 93% web server is powered by the developments of Dennis Ritchie over his lifetime. He is a founder of a C programming language. Now, this is a role model that we are proud to have this, and the second one is Tiger Woods, and same to have one. He has a very great achievements. He has 72 PGA titles under his belt, only player to have won all the 4 professional major championships in a row from 2000 to 2001 season. Turning away from the values once created for the others to follow, he lost the grounds. he has no value for what he achieved in his life. So he failed marriage life with Mrs. Thompson and a failed father of two, and he has alleged extramarital affair at least 4 mistresses. Tiger Woods quotes that winning isn't everything. Concept exploration, learning with the example. Concept 1. The non-contributor focused on a rewards and a punishment of doing the right thing. Contributors focused on the value of doing the right things. Non-contributor thinks that if I am late, then the teacher will be angry. And the contributor focused that if I learn to be on the time, then I can achieve so much more in a day. Non-contributor always think in a negative way, contributor thinks in a always positive way. Now second concept, non-contributors focused only on the price of a good things. Non-contributor focus only on the price, but contributor focused on the value of these good things for the others. If contributor thinks these things or goods are suitable for others people or not, but non-contributor focused only on the price. Non-contributor focused on the cost of the experience, contributors focused on the value of the experience. Non-contributors think that if I failed in the exam, I have lost a year. But as a contributor personality, if he is failed, he think that if I failed in this exam, I have now learned the importance of disciplines and a hard work. Application examples. Rakesh is a business executive, fondly remembers his father and recall an incident that took place over the 15 years ago. There is a rock concert happening. Rick Smart, the biggest rock star from Britain, visiting India for the first time, Rakesh told to his father. And Rakesh also said that all my friends are going for it. Please, can I go too? I really wanted to go. But Rakesh's father replied him, Rupees 1500 for seeing a bunch of people jump around and shake their hair? No way. Rakesh said, okay. Then his father thinks the price is indeed high, but who knows when the Rakesh will get the chance to experience a rock concert of this kind of again. What is the value of this? Later in the night, Rakesh's father said to Rakesh, here, take the money, go for the show. Rakesh said, but in the morning you said no, why this now? Then Rakesh's father replied him, you will remember this experience for your whole life. So in this example, Rakesh's father know the value of the time. So he told that you will remember this experience for the lifetime, and he also think that this type of experience will never seen again in Rakesh for his life. So he grant a permission to go to this concert and give him a money. Now next is giving value for a better service. One man said that I had flown to Mumbai for a client meeting. Time was limited as after the meeting, I had to catch my return flight. At the airport, I was waiting for a taxi when a spotless cab pulled up. I still remember that one ride. The driver rushed to open the passenger door for me. He made sure I was comfortably seated before he closed the door. Then he informed me, the traffic is bad today. Sir, I will take you it will take us about an hour so to reach your destination. Relax and enjoy the journey, sir. There is a newspaper for you to read. Also, in case you want to listen to music, there are tabs you can choose from it. This passenger told to the driver, I was quite surprised at the service I was receiving. I first sent an SMS to a client office that I would be there in an hour or so and then decided to take his advice and relax. I told him, obviously, you take a great pride in your work. You must have a story to tell, he replied. Then driver replied him, this man, I come from a village to earn money. Realize that I love driving car, being of service and a feeling like I have done a full day's work. But one thing I know for sure, to be a good in my business, I could simply meet the expectation of my passenger. But to be a great in my business, I had to exceed the customer's expectation. I wanted to be a great rather than just get by being a average. This type of example conclude that giving a value for the better service for the same money that we can get. Now, next is trusting a team members and encourage integrity. Sujal is a head of organization committee for the college technology festival. About 3 weeks back, he found some money is missing. There is a 5,000 rupee less in their calculation. So, Sujal, we should report our suspicion to the college authorities. One of friend of Sujal told him. And second one told that he must be a Mahesh. He is always so rude and keeps to himself. Sujal said, wait, we should not jump to the conclusion like this. Sujal talked to the Mahesh. Initially, Mahesh is rude and closed, but through the gentle persistence, Sujal gets him talking. He realized that Mahesh is innocent. By talking with the Mahesh, Sujal conclude that Mahesh is innocent. After some week, despite searching extensively, when they didn't find the money, Sujal asked some of his friends to contribute towards replacing the lost money, while others continue in doubt to the Mahesh. Several weeks later, we found who took the money. Mahesh is innocent. Sujal told him that Mahesh is a guy that stole the money. So this guy told that, thank God you did not listen to us accusing Mahesh. Sujal, we are very sorry. So from this example, we learned that we have to trust our team members and encourage them for the integrity. Examples of a contributor. Swami Vivekananda contribution toward the society is his identity and unity, universal allegation, Hinduism rise to immense preservation of Hinduism's rich diversity. Even with the awakening of a knowledge, a potter will remain a potter, a fisherman remain a fisherman. Why should they leave their hereditary calling? Don't give up the work to which you were born, even if it be a attendant with the defects. If they are taught in this way, why should they give up their respective callings? Rather, they will apply their knowledge for the better performance of the work to which they have been born. Doing is very good, but that comes from a thinking. Little manifestation of energy through the muscles are called work. But where there is no tough, there will no work. Fill the brain, therefore, with high thoughts, highest ideals, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. Second contributor personality is Sachin Tendulkar. The name itself strikes terror in the hearts of bowlers and captains all around the world. The star of Indian cricket, more like a god in India. He is the best player ever gifted to the game of cricket and should be chosen as a sport personality of the year. He possesses all the stroke in the book and he is probably the best cutter and the straight driver of the ball today. Third one is Dhirubhai Ambani, and Dhirubhai Ambani quotes that think big, think fast, think ahead. Idea are no one's monopoly. Pursue your goal even in the face of difficulties and convert adversities into the opportunity. Don't give up. Courage is my conviction. We cannot change our rulers, but we can change the way they rule us. Conclusion from this chapter is these things are extremely result oriented. Swami Vivekananda expect that individuals do not merely work but work in order to achieve result and create a value for themselves and society. Growth has no limit for us. We will keep revising our visions and when our dream it, we can do it. We have to believe in our dreams and we lived our dreams. Thank you.